Hello, my name is Mr. Jose Aguilar, and I'll be going over the modern U.S. history course, kind of what's involved in it, what you can get out of it, as well as expectations and materials as we're beginning the school year, just so you get an overall understanding of what this course is all about. So I won't read the whole syllabus, which is in front of us word for word, but I'll go over each of the key categories within this syllabus. So first up, you have my contact info at the top. Feel free to contact me via email or phone whenever you want. But in terms of what the course is actually about, we're covering a time period roughly from Reconstruction to the Civil Rights era of the 1960s, so roughly a 100-year time period. However, I understand that this is kind of the content that we have to go off of, but my students understand that being a historian is about being kind of like a detective. So the main focus is developing these skills, these historical skills, such as sourcing, contextualization, explanation. You see the rest. And I want them to be able to apply these historical skills through looking at the past and being able to apply the past to today to better understand the problem or problems that they will be confronting in the world. So here's just a rough overview of the units that we'll be going over. So the Reconstruction era, imperialism, industrial and progressive America, and then some things from also the 20th century as well. I have standard grading policies. I'm very flexible with late work policies. The basics is make sure you turn in your work before the end of the unit. And then we also have pretty clear expectations based off of values that we've determined in the first week of classes. Required materials are pretty simple. Just a spiral notebook to take notes, writing utensils, a 2-pocket folder for organization, and then the Chromebook package because we do occasionally use Chromebooks in class. And we also have a academic integrity policy to ensure that students are actually getting something out of the class, not just like cheating their way through and not actually learning anything. Some main resources that would be useful to note that we've already looked over, myself and the students. We have the historical skills chart, so exactly what are these skills that they're supposed to learn. They're not going to be experts by the end of the year because these are historical skills, but they will at least have a baseline knowledge of these and practice all of these skills as well. And then finally, our Google Sites link. I have a website. If you're ever really interested in what your student is learning about, you can look at the website and see specifically what information they are learning about. So, for example, I'll just click on Reconstruction era, and then you can see like the main questions that we're going to be answering and the lessons on the left-hand side with worksheets, slides, videos, and final projects that your student is submitting. That's really all I wanted to go over. I really hope that you contact me if you have any questions about any of this material. And yeah, I'm happy to start off the year with your student. Thanks.